Hey guys, Lucas from Arc-Zone here, coming with you with our new job essential right here. Here's the Arc-Zone MIG Welding Pliers. Every day using these for pulling, cutting, and opening your MIG tool. Best case uses for this guy, if this thing is way too hot, you're going to want to use it to take it off. You're going to want to use it to also remove your contact tip if your contact tip is too hot for cutting your MIG wire in there. Now this top one right here is going to be the same size of your contact tip. The bottom one is going to be usually the same size as your overall cover. So as you can see, they both kind of fit in there perfectly for opening and closing. From prep to maintenance, the versatility makes them the go-to tool for anything you have to do with the MIG gun and even chipping when you got slag. Whether you're picking up your first pair of MIG pliers or getting a second set to take care of the first one that's getting a little bit old, don't forget to pick them up at Arc-Zone.com.